See the glasses.
Hey, all I try not to know. You see the load? Ah! Oh my! You don't send back. It's so soothing, man. What the fuck? Just, bro, I've been in bondage. I've seen them go pray for the Lord choosing me. You are the for.
Hey, you God use me to do.
Oh my bag just open. Let me say, you know, as a bro, just start the flow for them now. Ah! And the highest be this.
Just in case. See the glasses.
Hey, all I try not to know. Ah.
You never interviewed.
You see the load? You see the load? You don't send back. What? Hey! It's so soothing, man. What the fuck?
Just didn't realize.
Bro!
Like, say they don't chain you down.
Bro, I've been in bondage. I've seen them go pray for the Lord choosing me. You are the for.
Hey, you God use me to do.
You're choosing me. Oh my bag just open. Ha!
Chai. Or your flages.
Just process.
You know, as a bro, just start the flow for them now.
Well, that's what happens. If it's stiff, the blood flow reduces. So once you free up the joints, it's like if a water hose has something in it that slows it down.
How do you feel?
Nah, studio straight.
Nobody wants to be
Bed.
Then.
I see the problem.
I gotta feel regulates my body back. Ah!
It's going.
Bro.
Ah! Just wait first. Oh. Yeah, you feel that. And I get what's up.
What's the age limit for this thing?
0.
There's no age limit now, bro.
What's
Everybody
in
needs this thing, bro.
What's in the beginning of life?
There's no age range, bro, but it's different treatment. That's that. But nobody will need this thing. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Bro.
Don't worry,
Why you
bro.
like this?
I did like this. Don't worry. The slap.
First half. At 5 minutes.
Please, man, let's do this. What? The beauty of this is, as familiar as I am with it, it's always surprising.
It still feels different.
Yeah.
That means you can't see it. You can't see it finish.
Now, as expected as it is for me, it still amazes me. Like, how?
Oh, how far my bro?
And I'm starting my tour. That's why I came here. Come on.
So we do credit at the end.
And
I know what it is. But you do credit at the end. I don't see hope really.
Bone.
If you try book it,
Well, yeah, now.
because if you don't see it, you want that.
Roger.
And you come hook.
Bro, why I dey feel something for here? The thing reach there. No, the thing you do me that it
What
reach.
do you dey feel first before
Like-
I talk say you reach or you don't reach?
This lower part.
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
It's more it's more free.
Yes, that side one.
Yeah. Oh.
There's one where you face this way. So it's your sacrum.
Okay.
So if it's hooked or if it's not mobile, I say I want credit at the end. So you say, hey. They go cheat on
Let's go. That's anything.
Oh. Last one. Done.
Oh my. My chest.
Not box.
Yeah. So there's this particular stretch that I used to stretch,
And you do this, Abby.
and it sounds a little bit. Today is the first time that
Yeah,
officially, no, never hear. You open finish.
Because when you do this, now here you hear.
Yes, now.
But then this one now, the man,
From back to here, now they feel am, now they say, so my bro, no worry, now they feel am. What?
freedom.
Go be sleep. If you know we go. We go enjoy and mad.
one more remaining. This one,
God. God, I beg.
Go for this one.
That's 25. Don't defend my hands. You like it's not like this, bro. Bro. Ah, fuck, man. I missed this.
Come to this one. And this one.
Please, man, just give me like at least like
2 hours.
no, 1 minute. Bro, this thing is a lot taking. Even you know. It's a lot taking. Ah, fuck. Ha. Like that. Maybe that.
You already.
Yeah. Bro, they want to shift my upper uncle. Or reach out.
Bring your hand for your chest.
And the highest be this.
Why you got all this?
I don't know, my reflex. I've never cracked that part before. Oh, I don't even bend my head. You go.
Don't call any box, no.
This one right there. Hope I'm not doing it again.
We're going to like 5 times.
Eh? What the guys looking at right now? Bro. Eh? Bro. How, like, what's the...
I know what you want. So what you asked
How
last
many
time?
times do I
You guys going on tour. When you go there around?
No. You should just tell me, like, how I should be doing it, then I'll pace my time.
I tell you last time, what happened? The song blew up there.
No. That one, many. But, like, how, medically, how I supposed to do it?
Monthly.
Wow.
And then once you're consistent, but it depends on what kind of work someone is doing, lifestyle, how you follow the health. Remember the health tips?
Me.
Yes, okay. Another point.
You told me not to, like, you told me to always rest my back on chairs. Like,
don't bend.
I shouldn't bend when I'm
Don't
pressing
sleep on your
phone.
stomach.
Yeah, I shouldn't sleep
Just
on
put
my
on
stomach.
stomach.
Yeah.
All my bones are
See, we can't press phone like this.
We are not doing this for like 5 hours.
I swear.
Yes, no, I don't know. I remember
What
where
do you do, huh?
No, I don't do
Okay,
that.
now.
But I remember, don't worry, I'm a good student, I know the practice. Bro, where your back like this?
The main system like
Be like
this.
this.
When you sit like this, bro. My boy, when you
Bro!
every month.
Now, you be like say top pass.
You don't talk
Stretch you,
don't talk
increase your eyes.
No, this is increase now. It's that when you put my
Let's
head.
say
My head don't run
everything
fast.
cold.
My neck, for my neck, it be like it's not long now. You notice that? You don't look my neck. My neck tick passes for normally. What? Hope I'm serious. Hope I'm not doing that neck thing again.
No, we don't do.
You don't do it.
You don't enter enough.
Yeah? You over enter.
That one where you say that you enter pass.
The last one.
This one, where you just no. You get two. You get one where you do for you. Say now this upper place.
You mean knock it for chest?
Yeah.
Is that not on the chest?
Why guys recover?
Yeah, I feel it.
But like, why I beg am? This one. Well, this one, why he knock me different? We say he know they suck regularly. And he know they even suck. Now this thing, you gotta do this thing before if he suck. I know crack am on my
You
own.
cannot.
You guess?
There's no logic around
What do
it.
you want to do?
You go rest, Sabi.
What next time?
Your own job.
Let's go. Wonderful.
It's real. Thank you for doing it.
Oh.
Ow! Jehovah, that won't enter.
Bro! This thing is real. I swear. This thing is real.